Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I'm just saying though. You guys, I kind of just wanted to show you how I've been building a fence um, around part of the perimeter on my property, and how I live on a slope, and how you can build a fence around your property or partially, and you see how it slowly goes up. You guys should know that building a fence is very expensive. We are building this fence on a budget, me and my brother. And I wanted to go over some things on how you can build a fence on a budget. This fence is going to be 250 feet. If I were to have it built, it would cost me anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000. So far, we've spent approximately 1,500. And I want to talk to you about some of the things that we used and how you can do the same thing. Okay, so the fence with panels, we built the fence panels. They are 8 feet by 5 feet. So they're 5 feet high and they're 8 feet wide. We're going to build a gate right here. It's going to be a 8 by 8 fence. Um, and then it's going to be 5 feet high. It's going to look like the rest of the panels, but each panel is 8 feet long and 5 feet tall. So um, when you're building a fence on a slope, you you determine how tall you want your fence to be, and you run um, a line from where you want it to start and where you want it to finish. And the way that you get your level, the way that you're able to do your step down, the way that we did it is by um, making sure that we bury each post in the um, ground at the same height. I got 8 foot poles. I wouldn't recommend that if you don't want a fence this tall. We got 8 foot posts, and we buried them 3 feet into the ground. And um, I did rent an auger, and it did not go deep enough, so we still had to go deeper. But each post is 5 foot in the ground. But as you can see how it slopes down, it came out really nice so far. I am going to go back through and put a fence, a wire fence on the inside. I know that some people would be like, oh, um, you should have did that first. And everyone has their own way to do things, but this is the way that we did it. And this has worked so far. We're going to come back through. It is hard to find lumber. And if you can see where the fence posts, where you can see the where the two posts are at, we're going to put a dog-eared fence post piece of wood over that after we run the fencing across. And you have to do each fence with the fencing individually. The metal fence is going to have to be done individually. But as you can see, so far everything has come out really, really nice. Um, I wish I could show you some more. I'm doing another rock area in the back part. As you can see, my yard goes downhill from the front, and then it slopes back up in the back part of it, where you can see it slowly goes up. Um, so far, I really like it. If you have any questions, I want to show you guys. Hopefully I can show you guys whenever I do the gate, how we did it. I don't know that we're going to record it. That's my back porch. We've been working on that too as well. But if you guys have any questions, um, feel free to ask, or any advice. Feel free to give your advice. I don't want to hear any complaints. This is my fence. All I'm trying to do is show people how you can do stuff on a budget if you have the time. Um, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to. I'm out.